preserving part integrity. With a 9,000 square meters machining shop and 130 skilled technicians, DI Rostell offers complete in-house finishing. CNC-controlled vertical and horizontal lathes, deep-hole drilling machines, up to 4.2 meters, and large-scale milling centers can finish forgings with extreme precision, even for parts up to 35 tons. Whether it's turning flanges up to 3,200 millimeters in diameter or finishing 15-meter-long shafts, DI Rostell delivers parts to exact customer specifications.